Good morning students. Let's continue with active and passive voice. In this video, I would like to explain you some important notes for active and passive voice. First, in passive voice, we always use to be forms and past participle form of the verb means V3. This remember, in passive voice sentence, we always use to be forms and V3. It means third form of the verb, means past participle form of the verb. That first thing remember. In passive voice, we always use to be forms and past participle form of the verb means V3. Second thing, we studied 12 tenses, 3 simple, 3 perfect tenses and 6 continuous. Total 12 tenses we have studied. Out of 12 tenses, we can transform 8 tense sentences into passive voice. I repeat, out of 12 tenses, we can change 8 tense sentences into passive voice. Now these 8 tenses are 3 simple, 2 continuous and 3 perfect. 3 simple are simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. 2 continuous, present continuous and past continuous. And 3 perfect, they are present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. These 8 tense sentences we can transform in passive voice. Next, the sentences having modal auxiliaries, we can transform them into passive voice. So third point we have to remember, we can change sentences having modals into passive voice, or we can transform sentences having modal auxiliaries in passive voice. So these 3 points you remember. In passive voice we always use to be forms and V3. Second, out of 12 tenses, 8 tense sentences we can transform into passive voice. And third, we can change sentences having modal auxiliaries in passive voice. In passive voice sentence, we always use to be forms and V3. V3 we know that is past participle form of the verb, third form of the verb. But now students, I would like to explain to be forms. When we transform active voice sentence into passive voice, that time we use to be forms and V3. Now to be forms for tenses and models. First, simple present tense. Simple present tense to be forms are am, is and are. Simple past tense was or were. Simple future will be, shall be. Present continuous am or is or are plus being. Am, is, are, being. That is present continuous tense. In past continuous tense, was, were plus being. Was, being, were, being. Present perfect tense to be forms have been, has been. Past perfect tense had been. Future perfect tense will or shall have been. And when there are modal auxiliaries in the sentence like can, may, would, should, will, shall, might, must, that time we use modals plus be. So this remember to be forms. For simple present tense, am, is, are. Simple past, was, were. Simple future, will be, shall be. Past continuous, was being. Past continuous, was being, were being. Present continuous, am being, is being, are being. present perfect, have been, has been, past perfect tense, had been, future perfect tense, will have been, shall have been, and when there are modal auxiliaries in the sentence, after modal auxiliary we have to use be. So these to be forms we have to use in passive voice sentence, because in passive voice sentence structure, in passive voice sentence we always use to be forms and with. So these are the to be forms for 8 tenses and modal auxiliaries. Out of 12 tenses we can transform 8 tense sentences into passive voice. So that time we require these to be forms, and when there are modals in the sentence, after modal auxiliaries we have to use be. Thank you, students.